Unfortunately, many people will be involved in some type of car, truck, or motorcycle accident at some point in their lifetime. Even minor accidents can injure you physically. You may not be sure of what steps to take at the crash scene or in the days immediately following an accident. Despite this, there are some tips on what you should do at the scene of the accident as well as afterwards. At the accident scene. 1. Stay at the scene of the accident. It is never advisable to leave the scene. Regardless of how minor the accident or how minimal the damage, it is imperative that you remain at the scene. Leaving the scene could result with your being charged with a crime. If anyone was hurt or suffered bodily injury due to the accident or any property was damaged, the legal consequences can compound quickly. If anyone was injured at the scene, call an ambulance immediately. 2. Exchange contact information and insurance information with the other driver or drivers. This will make filing a claim with the insurance company that much easier. When conversing with the other driver, do not discuss liability or who was at fault. Never admit fault regarding the accident. 3. Call the police. It is imperative for an officer to investigate the collision and prepare a police report. The other driver may also be given a motor vehicle citation. 4. Take pictures. Many people today have camera capability on their cell phone, iPod, or PDA. Use this technology to your advantage to help document the accident scene. Take pictures of all the vehicles involved from the various angles. This includes positions of the vehicles as well as the location of the accident. 5. Should any witness stop at the accident scene, you should obtain as much information from that witness as possible, including name, address, contact number, and email address. If a lawsuit ensues, witness testimony is usually very helpful. 6. Seek appropriate medical care. When an accident occurs, your adrenaline, as well as your emotions, will most likely be running high. This will mask any pain from injuries you could have sustained. It is always a good idea to make an emergency room visit and be seen by a doctor or a medical professional. Automobile accident injuries are not always immediately visible. They can become apparent sometime after the accident. For instance, a head injury can leave you feeling dizzy, nauseated, and confused. Seeing your primary care provider or PCP very soon after the collision is another good idea. Documenting an injury is very important soon after a collision. Following the accident. 1. Write down what happened. Depending on the severity of the crash, it is not always possible to remember every detail at the time of the accident. Recording as much as you can remember at home may help later on. 2. Contact an experienced motor vehicle accident attorney. Having a knowledgeable Delaware car accident attorney on your side will help you when going through the post-accident legal process. This may involve issues such as vehicle repairs, recovering medical expenses, and obtaining financial compensation for other losses and injuries. 3. You will need to alert your insurance company of the accident. Initially, you will need to provide the insurer with basic information regarding the accident, such as where it occurred, details of any property damage, any injuries sustained, as well as the other driver's information. From there, you will be contacted by a claims adjuster who may take a recorded statement from you. When meeting with your attorney. When you first meet with your lawyer, it is important to bring the following with you. 1. Name and contact information of any drivers involved in the accident. 2. Copy of the police report. 3. Names and contact information of any involved witnesses. 4. Any and all accident scene photographs. 5. An insurance claim number. 6. Name and contact information for the insurance adjuster. With this information, your attorney can then investigate your claim on your behalf. They will be able to determine any compensation sources available, including your own insurance carrier. Your attorney should handle all communications with the insurance companies on your behalf. Lastly, if needed, the attorney should file a personal injury lawsuit against the other driver. Contact the Frybot Law Firm at 302-633-9000. We handle accident and injury cases on a contingency fee basis, meaning we charge no fee or any cost of litigation unless we recover for you. You can also visit our website at www.frybotlaw.com to arrange a free consultation.